While becoming a millionaire requires a combination of factors and there's no guaranteed path to wealth, here are 5 common strategies that have helped many individuals achieve millionaire status. Number 1. Start a successful business. Entrepreneurship can provide significant opportunities for wealth creation. Identify a market need, develop a unique product or service, and build a scalable business. Focus on providing value, delivering exceptional customer experiences, and being persistent in pursuing growth and profitability. Number 2. Invest in stocks and equities. Investing in the stock market has the potential for significant returns over the long term. Educate yourself about different investment options, develop a well-diversified portfolio, and adopt a disciplined approach to investing. Consider seeking professional advice or utilizing robo-advisors to help with investment decisions. Number 3. Real estate investment. Investing in real estate can be a lucrative wealth-building strategy. Purchase properties with the intention of generating rental income or flipping them for a profit. Careful analysis of market trends, location, and property value is crucial. Additionally, consider leveraging financing options to maximize returns. Number 4. Build and sell a successful tech startup. The technology industry offers numerous opportunities for rapid growth and high-value exits. Develop innovative software or hardware solutions, seek venture capital funding, and build a strong team. Aim to solve significant problems or disrupt industries, which can attract acquisition offers from larger companies. Number 5. High-income careers and professional services. Pursue careers in high-demand fields such as medicine, law, finance, or technology. By becoming an expert in your field and delivering exceptional value, you can command higher salaries, bonuses, and promotions. Additionally, offering specialized professional services or consulting can also lead to substantial earnings. It's important to note that these strategies come with their own risks and challenges. They require dedication, hard work, continuous learning, and the ability to adapt to market conditions. It's advisable to conduct thorough research, seek professional guidance when needed, and take calculated risks. Ultimately, combining these strategies with disciplined saving, budgeting, and wise financial management can increase your chances of achieving millionaire status.